Hello and welcome to Straight Up by edX Live with me, Siddhi Zozare. In today's episode, we discuss the NEET UG Supreme Court hearing while understanding its background. Approximately 25 lakh students of the nation who appeared for the National Eligibility and Entrance Test undergraduate NEET UG were awaiting the Supreme Court hearing which took place today, Monday, July 8. The court hearing was led by a three-judge bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justices J.B. Partiwala and Manoj Mishra. With extensive questioning, the CJI tried to understand the following points. If the breach happened at a systematic level, if the entire exam process has been affected due to it, if it would be possible to distinguish between miscreants and honest candidates. If it is difficult to ascertain the second and the third point, then a retest might be ordered, the court said in its order. It also sought a thorough understanding from NTA on what steps should have been taken so far to identify beneficiaries and sought the CBI report too. It also made it clear that it is worried about the sanctity of the test. All counsels who demand a retest need to file a common submission of not more than 10 pages, the court ordered. The matter has been posted for a hearing on July 11, Thursday. Moving forward, NEET UG 2024 results has become a fiasco owing to several allegations associated with paper leaks, irregularities, malpractices and so on. As a result, urging for cancelling the medical entrance exam and other requests, several candidates filed petition in the apex court. Besides that, Alak Pandey, the Chief Executive Officer of EdTech firm PhysicsWallah, moved the Supreme Court against the alleged random award of grace marks by the National Testing Agency on June 11. On the contrary, the sender had submitted an affidavit to the Supreme Court on July 6, stating that it would not be rational to scrape the entire May 5 NEET UG examination. So medical aspirants, I ask you, did the hearing give you any relief? Why or why not? Tell us in the comment section below. That's all we have for you today. We will come back tomorrow with a fresh update for you from the education sector. Till then, stay hydrated and stay safe.